Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. And very special, and I thank God for the gift of life, man. So right now it's a bright morning over here. So I suppose to get out of my house right now inside. And actually today, guys, these videos, it's all about a big surprise. Maybe a surprise. So I want to surprise my brother. So it's long time, guys, so don't mind. Oh, that's my hairstyle, man. So I changed, so I need to make some dreadlocks. But let's flow with the vibe. And wherever you are, may God bless you for taking me to 5k subscriber. I really appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Lord, to see 6k subscribers, guys. Me, I'm just climbing the ladder slowly, guys. I'm just focused my own thing. I'm just flow with vibe all the time, positive vibe, guys. So right now, this is my home, and this is where I'm born and raised, guys. So actually, this is my house right now here. So it is a courtesy of the subscriber who made it possible for ceiling board, chairs, tiles, painting, and all stuff, man. I thank God for those who are with me until up to today. So I wanna say maybe let's goodbye. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mom. So today, Mama, I'm going to Mama, leo naenda kutembea ndugu yangu shuleni. Yeah, konja. So I'm telling my mom I'm going to visit my brother because every single minute my brother calling me, oh bro, what's up? I'm hungry, oh this and this. I know the situation, but I wanna make some maybe small shopping. Mama, I know find shopping kidogo nipeleke ndugu ya. Yes, that's my brother. So I'm telling my mom, she was a kind of a shock, guys. She was like, what? So I'm going to visit my brother. Serious. So after this, congrats, dad called me, so I'm supposed to be there and then see what is going on. Oh, that's my beautiful home. So today, no mason at my project, and technically, guys, like yesterday, to be honest, I bought 3 bags of cement, and because I was harassed with some things, I didn't make the videos, but the cement is over there. So yesterday work, you can see by yourself. You look this part. So I was showing you each single minute. So right now I have already completed. Look at this. So here I will put tiles and here, so to prevent maybe those rain maybe affect the wall. So even look at this pillar. Oh, no problem, guys. You see all the way how I make. Hey, thank you so much for those who keep supporting me. I want to say thank you a million times, and may God bless you. I know for the haters though, like, hey, nowadays, guys. Oh. All right, even you can see here, we have already made it possible, man. Look I want to say thank you a million, and I'm keep grinding hard. Although I know for the haters, they wanna say about negative to me. I don't care, man. No matter what, me, I'm just mind my own thing, man. So maybe tomorrow or this week, I'll do a skirting down of the floor, so it look like this one here, and it give me. You can't put tiles like this way, so you must put like here. Also, I'll do inside. Like yesterday, the cement which have remained, or the mortar, we create stuff like this. You see, even right now you can use it. Look, guys, see what I was made in this village, man. Around my home here, are very special. This is my hairstyle. Wow. But soon it's gonna come, man. Okay, so this one I wanna say goodbye. If I get the tiles soon, I think next week I'll start tiling inside here, because I've already done screeding everything, and let's see. So we remain with this one here. We remain with three doors. So I think here we remain with this one. You see, this one is a kind of look. You can't put tiles like this one. No, never not. Never, never, never. Even me, I can't allow it. Look, that's my mom's toilet, guys. Very beautiful and amazing, man. Imagine, guys, the courtesy of my audience who made it possible. I want to say thank you a million for those who are supporting me up to now. Look. Wow. That's the toilet. So big. So even down, women will screaming. We call screaming, guys. Look even at this. Also screaming. Ah, man, wow. For me, to be honest, I made huge progress. I can't complain on that. It made a huge progress. Look at this pillar also inside. I want to put some tiles here, I'm telling you. But outside on other side, like this pillar, I will paint. But on top, tiles, man. For me, I have very genius mason who do this and from scratch up to now. And I think even the house, I wanna give him the house to do. Look at the back. Look. I love the mason. 100%. I love the work of my mason. So guys, stay tuned as I move from here to Congrat Dad, and then I'll go to Border Town. Wow, guys. Wow, guys. So I supposed to take the breakfast over here, and we have chapati here, also tea. So I wanna wash my hand here. So just a minute, guys. Oh, so I'm struggling to wash my hand over here. Oh, like that. Alright, guys, so let's see. I wanna open here, for the circulation of air. Oh, like that. So here, oh, the tea. Right, this tea. Wow. And then we have called chapati. Okay, so this chapati, and I suppose to take my breakfast, and actually when I take chapati, it's enough for the day. Yeah. This white tea, you know. And guys, today's video are very special. So I'm going to make a shopping for my brother, a small shopping, but I'm going to Tanzania. That being said, because we stay here near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, so I'm supposed to go there purchasing rice, and then maybe some cooking oil, sugar, because he tried to call me, oh my brother, I finished food. I understand the situation, the life, how it is, and I'm supposed to do so. So today's videos, watch until the end. You wanna have a vibe from there, and me always stand for positive vibe. So my videos, it's all about positivity. So right now I'm just at Congrats mom home. So I'm taking the breakfast, and we came to solve some. There's some work that I came to do here, maybe right at the center, and then when I finish, I will show you up. So there's no maybe I'll show you everything. There is maybe things maybe you can show maybe off camera. You know, they need maybe privacy. So like I take breakfast and then I rush to border town to see what is going on. Oh guys. So guys, I finished taking breakfast. So it's time to see what's going on. And before I move, I will let you to know where I'm heading to. See, the dog is sleeping over here. We have so many pipes here. Yeah, this one is so big, man. Look at this one. This is a pipe, man. This look like Mbosiambo. Maybe I will have one or two to my compound. Oh. Have another one here. Look at this. Oh, so many of pipe here. Look. These are the pipes. Right. Whew. Wow. So there's a tank here. So it's under installation, guys. So at the same time have chicks here and hen. Look. I'll let you to know. Look at this, they're cooking outside. Yes, this is a jiko. Because we have the mason here around, so we're supposed to cook outside. Wow, wow! You heard the puppy? It's roaring. So no jokes. Hey. Look. You have a lot of pipe here. But I like that one dog. Maybe when it's a male, I will take that one, man. I'm telling you. I want to have two puppy. So here you have the puppy for Mbosiamboka, for Simba. Look. So even it's tired. Simba. You want to suck me. Well guys, so there's the tank there. And actually I want to show you the installation. All the process, the balance. Maybe this is grade 1. No, this is grade 2. Technically, this is how it is, and on the top you place the tank. So for me, I think maybe here they want to create like a store. You can store maybe your instrument, maybe you get the napier grass, you store inside here. Man, this is a huge house, I'm telling you. Oh, are you okay, Ngurusia? So you can see even here. So right now no napier grass here, but this guy you must have the stick, man. It's aggressive. Ooh. So maybe later you wanna have. Oh. You have nails here. I'm telling you, everything takes a shape. And maybe, guys, to be honest, this week I'm not around at my village. Maybe sometime. So when God opened the doors, I can use that chance, man. So I'm ready to go. So for now, there is it. Everything's good here. Wow. Look the calf, man. It's look at the same time, but a different mud. Look. Wow. So let's see, guys. Wow, today's today, guys. What? I'm walking now. Wow. So today's videos are very, very special, and I'm going to visit my brother because he was calling me, bro, what's up? I'm telling, no, bro, you know, we just hustle. I came to check you maybe. So in terms maybe of food, I need to add him food because he was struggling hard, working so hard, man. Wow. Actually, I'm heading this way, so it's long time, man. Let's see how the villa were being going. Maybe there's some work we wanna do for some few minutes, and then I left, you know. So actually, I'm heading to border town, and then I cross to Tanzania because I'm going to purchase the rice there at a cheaper price. Although I wanna pay the tax, but the rice it's under cheaper price. When you import from Tanzania, when you sell to other side, it's so expensive. Wow. Man, I wanna say God is good all the time, and we wanna say this word. God time is the best word. I don't know, maybe continue from there, guys. But I'm Floyd Vibe. Let's see. Oh, this is how my village looks like. Very beautiful. So just focus on moving right, left at the center. Oh. Hey, Kevin. Thank you, Korahan. Sabu kira mbapa gani? Kama umekaa chini.
Unatrimkia. Pengo trimkia tu.
Ngukwere hai. This is Musabijon.
Yes.
Maybe there's some work going on here. Let's update you. Ankomo site. Alright guys, so let me update you. Maybe this is the timber for the church. Yeah? Oh. Alright, so yesterday I saw the video. Hey. Almost a kuna transport. Okay. Wewe. Ushahamia huku. Boom. Takamba mbengam.
Now, as you can see, the construction is going on. We are here, we are making sure the foundation is well prepared as we are bringing here stones.
Yes, nowadays guys, this is how the foundation looks like. Oh guys, so let's continue these videos. And I'm just heading to border town after this. Move on. So these are Uncle Mo's home. Hey, Musabi, you finish all tippers.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I'm heading down and I see the construction been going at the church here. Wow. You see over there, there's construction going on, so they want to put roofing and all stuff. Woo. It's good to construct a house of God. That's where you worship, you do everything, you repent your sin. And for me, guys, I'm flowing with the vibe. Honestly, I'm flowing with vibe. Let's move on. Hey. So today's a bright morning. You can see the sky. Not too much blue in car, but the way is so calm, man. Oh. Let's move on and see what's going on. Wow. So this is Gete River's land, and also a house over there, the White House that you see over there. Wow. For me, guys, I'm just working so hard, grinding hard, right, left, at the center to make sure that everything is okay and okay. But I know for the haters, they wanna talk about the negative for me, and I'm just minding my own issue, my own thing, man. Look this land here. So I brought one of my friends from Saudi Arabia. So actually he was a Kenyan by citizenship. So we came here. I show him the land, or them the land, because there were two friends, one from Uganda and my friend from Kenya. So they need the land maybe to build a house. So this land is under sale. So I brought them here and I show the owner. They negotiate all stuff, but there's one thing, maybe a small amount of money. That lady decide they don't want to give them the land. All right. So if you want to purchase a land just over here, it's under sale. On sale, I mean, not under. It's on sale. So if you wish, you can purchase or you can buy. It's 500,000 Kenyan shillings, and then you get that land. All right. And I take them to another part, but on opposite side. So they bought the land, and I think maybe this week they wanna start fencing the land. So the good thing is, when you purchase a land here in our village here, you fence and then you put a mark every corner as your boundary, you know. So let's see how Mr. Gak is doing, guys. It's been a while. Oh. Wait. So this is how our beautiful village looks like, and yesterday we have a lot of rain, a lot. So maybe if you plant earlier, you harvest earlier. If you plant late, you wanna harvest late. Wow, look how beautiful our village looks like. So today's videos, it's all about how I surprised my brother for some few shopping, and then we shall see. Wow. Babu, kopoa. Oh, so I'm just here. It's a quite chilling video. Hey. This is our Hey, Mr. Gaki.
Yeah.
You're chopping. I was doing that. Guys, this is a chicken here. How's everything?
Everything just good, guys. If you're first time watching this, kindly hit the subscription button as you just progress with this amazing vlog. Kindly, guys, subscribe to Hello Baby official YouTube channel, and also go check me there at Skake. Your subscription is highly appreciated.
So for now, right now, I'm heading to Border Town.
Yeah.
I'm going to purchase the rice and then I say pa. Yes. So I was going to congrat Dad.
Yeah.
So he was sending me to border town.
Okay.
Wow. Eh? And you should tell me what I can dam. Oh. Oh guys. Look. Wow. Let's continue our video. Hey. So today is a bright morning here and it's a chilling, quiet morning. Wow. So I'm just over here to see what is going on. Hey, look at the fish, man. Mawira.
You remove those good clothes.
Which one? Me, I've already changed the cuckoo.
Not, you must come and work for men. Just work for men.
I know.
You remove those clothes, you come.
Okay, and over here, guys.
Some good news for you down there.
What's up? What's up, man?
Good morning.
Morning, bro.
Yes.
Yeah. So me, you know, I'm going to Tanzania to purchase rice. You know, Tanzania is a cheaper price rice. Hey, this is good yet for our village, guys. It's taller.
You come when you are working.
It is taller. So it's time to go to border town. So right now, and see what's going on. So guys, thank you so much. Keep log. More amazing videos coming. Today it's all about surprise. Alright, so I'm heading to border town right now. And I'm going to purchase the rice. So it's 10 kg rice. Also, but the man that I have, I'll share with my brother. Right. It's actually so upcoming restaurant, guys, over there. Maybe soon, maybe next year, we will enjoy on that restaurant. So here, motorbike are very affordable. It's cheap, you can afford. There is also some meals. And there is a work that are going on here. Government work for making these lines. White one, but right now in the next trip, white one. You can see how thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the retainer for taking me to 5k subscriber. I really appreciate. So I'm learning to 6k subscriber. Maybe the end of October, by God's grace, I will be there. You know. So I'm running with time because I have a lot of things to do at the same time, and that is it. So over here, that's my Roman Catholic Church. The moment I go to border town, I show you. That's my Roman Catholic Church. That's where my mom worship and for entire family. I'm telling you. It's a bright morning. So they try to make a mark. Yeah, it's a police post, police station here. I mean, over there. Is border town. Everywhere is business, business, business. Everywhere. Everywhere. Business. So right now I'm in Tanzania. So I'm supposed to purchase the rice here. Wow. Okay, let's see. So once again guys, I'm just over here to my customer, and actually I'm in Tanzania. So Nyakuhanda, let me show you. In case you're new on these videos, I'm supposed to show you everything. So this is the company, Nyakuhanda, food supplier and transportation, PO Box, Sirari Tarime. So I'm within Tanzania. So there is, according to the grade, packaging and all stuff, with the machine here. Kaboom! Let's see. I'm heading inside here. Oh! So this is the rice here. This is the company. Over here. So it's according to the kg. Look, and I think maybe this around 12 kg. How much? The machine here. The machine. And you see how they process, man. Look. That's the rice over there, the stock of the rice. Other side, oh, let's go and see. So this will measure the weight or the kg and all stuff. Bueno, patako swani birato, kauru si birato sikuhara. Hey, I'm telling them to remove the shoes. Auntie, auntie, naomba mchere, mzuri, ndo nimemwambia toe viatu. Mchere kilo 10 napelekea mtu aende kula. Shingapi? Shilingi 900. 900? Yeah. Na kilo 5? 450. Tuna kilo 5. Kilo 5. Oh guys, so I'm supposed to purchase 5 kg. Right. Okay. So this is the rice, 50 kg and all stuff. There's another one here. This is around 10 kg. Okay, so I'm in Tanzania right now. So this is the rice here, and we do everything. Oh, so let's go, guys. In case you know this Tanzania. This is Tanzania. Oh guys, so right now it's I'm border town, so I close from the border of Kenya and Tanzania, actually from my neighbor's country. So right now I'm going to purchase the salt, maybe sugar, and all stuff, you know. You know what I mean, guys? I'm telling you. Look at that house there. Some supermarket. So I left the rice here for my brother, and I supposed to make the shopping here. Let's see. This today. Maybe I bought some small shopping, and then we go, you know. Let's see. Maybe for the first time they can make chapati. Alright, let's try this. This one here. And then sugar. Let's see, sugar. Okay, because I have another sugar. I add the small. And also maybe the spaghetti. I'm trying to look the spaghetti. Sure. I'm heading to. It's 120 each. Okay, small. So. Alright. Let's see the soap. So I'm just over here looking what's next. Oh. Oh. Okay. It's the soap now. I think this one it's okay for my brother, because if I have more, maybe more money, I can do as I can, guys. Time to go and visit my brother. Serious. Hey. Oh. Right. So let's go, guys. Then, so I wanna continue with our journey, and I would go with the vehicle for the forest. Watching the ceremony. This is the bank here. Let's see. Wow. So I suppose to have the helmet maybe I think next week, because most of the people say hello baby, have the helmet. So I will have them, and maybe when I make my motorbike. But for now, let's use the vehicle, because of the time, no stuff. That's the tourist vehicle. They are fueling the gas or gasolino over there. Let's move on. So I don't know the price from here up to where my brother studied, so known as Rongo. But right along, I will know late. So let's move on and keep moving. Okay, guys. So stay tuned as I'm going to book the vehicle. So because right now it's too hot, you can see the sky, it's too hot, man. So guys, this is the stage here, and I'm sitting here waiting the car. So this is my small shopping for my brother, and I'm waiting the car right now. Imagine, this is a local stage here. Maybe it's raining time, you're supposed to go there. But for now, I'm just waiting, and the car is coming from other side here. Just waiting here, guys. But I'm keep running with time. Wow, guys. So by now I'm in Gori, and I keep going on, guys. Look. So this is Gori town. So I'm just moving on, guys. So the car was very congested inside here. So look outside as we go. Wow, super amazing. Look at the tall building, even right over there. Look at that. Wow, nice. And I'm just moving on. So the car was congested. Things they are, and I'm just moving on. So, wow, this is Marua hardware. Let's move on. Super amazing. Over here, there's a bridge. I'm within Migori. There's a bridge over there. Look. Hello, guys. So guys, enjoy today's vlog. I'm just moving like that. Well, so to visit my brother at a time, and here it's a roundabout. Then here there's a roundabout. Wow. Let's move on. See how business was been going. The body hardware report. Look. Wow. So that being said, every 2 kilometers tax. Every 2 kilometers tax. 2 kilometers tax. You know, like take this one here. Wow. So I was on this car here, and I'm supposed to go this way. Maybe kilo 5. I'm supposed to have a motorbike and then take me around. Got placed here. Oh, Niweke hapo Rongo. Shingapi hapo university? Shingapi?
Geti ya shule?
Si geti ya shule, niweke huko ndani kwa compound. Taniweka kwa compound. So I'm telling him to put me on the compound.
Unaingia ndani? Ndani ya shule? Nitakupeleka tu.
Sawa. Na ngapi?
70 baba.
50 bana. Hivi nimeacha pikipiki yangu nyumbani. Twende. So guys, I want to call my brother. Just a minute, I'm calling my brother. That's my brother there. Return bro. Maybe he was not receiving my call. When I reach there, I want to show you. Right. Okay, 20. It's like a junction here. Inside there are police car inside here. Anyway. So that's Rongo University, the main campus, guys. Let's keep moving on. Sugarcane plantation over there. That car. Guys, follow this journey. What to say? It's an amazing one. Beautiful sceneries. Look at the house over there, guys. Maybe it's 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom, I don't know. That one over there. Mining area. I'm telling you. Nowadays in Africa we have mining area. Even that one, but there was mining area within there. Right. Look at that. Also that's mining area. Even here, people are looking mining and sell, to have money. Not the noise, that's the mining excavating, guys. Ooh, beautiful house. Over there, there's mining. My village is so limits, so I can't mention which day way and time. I wanna say it's so limited here. I need to move out. A new destination. This is where my brother came and made some shopping from this small center that you see here, you know. You can see business and the road. The gate over there. Hey, that's the Rongo main campus. I'm telling you. Let's move on. So this is the school gate over here. Very amazing, right? Oh. The school field. Okay. Whew. I'm so tired, man. It's a huge surprise by itself. So that being said, my time was so limited. I need to travel, man. Right. So this is our walk highway. Just walk right, left. Like for me, I'm walking left. When I come and go back home, I walk right. You know. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see. All that you see here, that's students, man. So this school doesn't have uniform. So you wear casual, and that's simple. Oh. I'm tired to walk on a highway. So you see, it's a huge field by itself. Although my brothers stay outside of the school, but within. Boys, just a minute. I wanna call my brother because I'm so tired, man. So just a minute. Calling my brother. Yes, bro. Oya. Uko wapi?
Nyumba.
Kwa nyumba?
Eh.
Aya, mimi nimefika hapa shuleni kwenu. Aya, nakuja tu sai.
Sawa sawa.
Aya. Umepika? Guys, I was calling my brother and he was still inside the house, so maybe today he doesn't have the class. Wow, this is her shop. He's shopping here. Oh, I'm just moving out. Oh, imagine, maybe the rest of students have already finished the classes, you know. Wow. There. Over there, that's my brother's school. Maybe you can see from the far end, or not yet. There's some students. There's some there. Rongo is vehicle. So that's the compound school for my brother where he studies and do stuff on the other side. But right now I'm heading to the hostel where he was rent and stay. In case you're new on these videos, watch up to the end, and maybe this is our third time to be here. So in case you're new here on today's videos, that's how things looks like. It's a big compound and super amazing, man. Wow. And this shopping is huge. Whew. I rested like twice, you know. Okay, let's move on. Today it's so hot. I see there's some students playing some ball. Look, doing practice in this field here. You see, they're doing practice over there. Wow. So today's videos are very special, and in case you make these videos, just follow with the vibe, subscribe to my channel, load to 6K subscriber. I really appreciate it, man. So I'm grinding hard right left at the center, so to make sure that everything is on good position. Imagine, all the way from the gate I was walking the school compound, and these are half of the school. You know what I mean? Look, it's so huge, man. From there, go that way, even at the back. Oh, after 2 kilometers, after some few minutes, I received the call. Hello. Hey. Poa.
Uko salama?
Yeah.
Uko salama?
Niko salama.
Sasa nilikuwa nauliza. Unaweza pata shamba hapo kweli?
Ni nani?
Naitwa Max.
Kutoka wapi?
Kutoka Kisii. So nilikuwa nauliza kama naweza pata shamba hapo ya Boazi.
Ya kujenga.
Kujenga hata kulima.
Kuna ya kujenga, ulipataje namba yangu?
Umeweka YouTube yako namba yako.
Okay. Kuna shamba ya kujenga, si ya kulima. Ina hadi nyumba.
Sitaki kujenga, nataka maybe kijengo uweke kwa nyumba kadogo ingine, maybe mtu ulima hata kama mahindi.
Okay.
Tano hivi watu wakule.
Hiyo nyumba iko saa anataka 500,000.
Iko karibu na nini? Kwa barabara ama ndani kidogo?
Hata kama ni ndani, barabara inaenda hadi kwa shamba.
Na size ni ngapi?
Tuseme 108, 116 by 60 by 60.
Okay.
Okay.
Wacha nione mwisho wa mwezi nitembee nikuje nione.
Sawa.
Okay.
You know, guys, I'm branding. There's one of my neighbors. My beloved mom. She was a neighbor, but although it's not really my mom, so she was giving me some work to look for the customer who they want to purchase the land. So last week I think, sorry for that, last week I took one of my friend who are working in Saudi Arabia, and he was a Kenyan citizen. So after the job ended at Saudi Arabia, so he came to his own country, Kenya, and then he looked for the land. So that lady overcharging us the land, and it's a small, but she need 500,000 Kenyan money. So we negotiate, and then the price goes up. So we left. We looked for other things, and then we found the land. You know. So after getting the land, guys, I'm so tired. I'm telling you. Who it's. So after getting the land, yesterday the lady called me. My neighbors called me. Did you find another land? I said yes. Why not? So he said, you're just looking. Even right now, receiving the call. The guy who needs the land. Right. I'm within embassy hostile. Pull up, man. So, not this room. Odi. Yeah? So guys, in case you're new here, this is where my brother stay and continue his study. So I'm feel so happy. Nowadays I found the curtain and all stuff for the privacy, because this compound are not secure enough. No security here. So wow, guys. Guys, I'm so that's my hairstyle. I'm so tired. And I want to put the dreadlocks. Right. So I found one of the guy who sold the dreadlocks. It's so expensive, and they say no, this is too much, man.
Is how much?
It's around 5,000 Kenyan shillings.
Hey.
So I don't agree on that price.
Right.
Okay, because when they lower the price, maybe I could purchase. So today I brought you some maybe small shopping here. This rice you can hold like this. So this is grade one.
Which company?
Grade 1 from Tanzania, Sonia Kohana.
Right.
Yes. So that's the rice. And maybe I know, since maybe I brought for you the rice, the small one, maybe 2 cups. Yeah. And maybe the maize corn.
Yeah.
The only thing is to take every day ugali. And maybe sometime, I know you have already finished the rice.
Yeah, I finished.
Oil is there.
Some 2 weeks ago.
You have the cooking oil?
No, they are less. It is not
okay,
enough.
They are less. So for now, the money that I have, I purchased stand here because of the light. The money that I have, I purchased only the rice and both soap, the flour 1 kg, and also 1 kg sugar. Right. So maybe if you have maybe like 100, that's around half USD. You can purchase cooking oil. Yeah. So for me, I can do much as I can to support you. Sometimes you are calling me, and then I said, wow. I'm supposed to tell you, oh, my brother, I didn't have money. And then maybe you wanna understand me on the wrong way. Oh, my brother have the money, and then he doesn't.
I understand.
He doesn't support me, you know.
Yeah.
So even at home there, you know, I was running with my construction.
Right.
So like yesterday, the mason are being finished up. There are some places remaining.
They started constructing the house or
No, the house.
wall.
Yes, maybe house next year
Right.
on July. So I told my mom
Right.
that trees that you left there,
Yeah.
I don't want maybe to sell it.
Right.
So maybe
use
next
for-
year I'll use for the timber for roofing like this one here. When maybe it's needed, I can add maybe a little bit.
All right.
All right.
There will be enough. I think the trees are enough for.
Yes, but
timber.
downward for the toilet, I'll cut all down trees.
Why?
Maybe from January, because that trees it can affect the toilet. Some roots on the ground, they can go a long way and then push the foundation, and then finally our toilet fall down. So I need to cut everything to clear, and then maybe I would make as a flower garden. You can stay there, chill, to construct a gazebo. Do you know a gazebo?
I don't know.
No, a small house,
Why-
like an open, maybe small house.
Right.
You can chill there during the daytime. And then maybe if you have a laptop, you can edit your own stuff, you know. So like here, okay, first of all, greet my people.
Hello guys, my name is Benson Mugwave, the brother to Hello Baby Official. So my brother, I thank him a lot because he usually supports me because I'm a student and I cannot manage because you cannot take the study at the same time you want to work. So I thank my brother so much for his support. Yeah.
And I really see how you make your house to be organized. You place your gas there, and already you have purchased already the carpet.
Yeah.
All right, this is the potting carpet, guys.
Yeah.
All right, so and then inside here, this is the buff soap.
All right.
Maybe if you have, you can add on it. Oh, so maybe today you can cook around 8 chapati and life continue like that.
Yeah.
You know, right inside here, guys. Let me see. So this 1 kg sugar called Mara sugar. Mara sugar.
Right.
Yes. Don't add too much sugar on tea. A little bit.
Yeah.
And then like nowadays, don't take cold water. If it's too hot,
Why?
take warm. You boil the water and then you drink. Not direct. You boil and then leave some few minutes and then you drink like
Alright.
warm water.
Yeah.
So like nowadays, when you feel your body is gaining a lot of heat,
Yeah.
maybe coming from somewhere, don't take immediately cold water. Just boil and then maybe to be warm a little bit and then you drink. Because when you take cold water, your veins and blood vessel became maybe wide.
Right.
We call wide or narrow.
The,
Yani inaweza panuka.
what? You said one.
Maybe blood, we called veins and capillaries. So they wanna maybe expand, or we call another way wide or narrow. Let me say narrow.
Yeah.
So just take hot water every day.
Yeah.
You know.
That's the new news I'm getting.
Okay, me I'm pass for you information.
Right.
And you know, like nowadays, people start maybe talking about negative to me. So bring
Don't worry, don't
bring a lot of drama to my village, but for me, I don't care.
Don't worry.
So because it's it's almost time. So I supposed to rush back home
Right.
and then to change our ticket because I'm supposed to go tomorrow, not
Where?
today.
You want to travel?
That's my secret agenda.
Right.
Okay, and inside here, maybe if you want, you can cook this spaghetti.
Supergate.
Yes.
Which company is this?
Don't mind on company. You just cook. Maybe it's from Arabia or from Somalia. I don't care. And the inside here, I put what? Let me see.
That.
Oh my God.
So, alright. So, me, I thank you.
For me, I can't stay, but I wish you all the best.
Yeah.
Maybe you can escort me up to the tarmac or not
Right.
yet.
Let me escort you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just arrange your things and then escort me. No pressure, bro.
Right.
So I think from January I'll pay you the rent.
Alright.
Okay. Oh guys, my phone is overheating. I don't know why. Let me put that off. Alright. Okay, you can take this carrier bag. So guys, today's a very, very special videos. I pay a visit to my brother, and then all that time he was calling me, oh bro, I didn't have this, I didn't have this. Because of the lack of money or the lack of capital, when I get the money soon, I support you.
Alright.
So do you remember? During night time, close here the door, down.
I know.
This one, down here.
I know here we have the surrounding tags.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't lock your door well,
Mm-hmm.
they can end in the night.
And during the day, you
And
close here,
Right.
you put a padlock
Yeah.
inside the house, and also outside the house, you put the padlock.
Alright.
Okay, so maybe we can walk.
Yeah.
So it's time to leave, guys. So this is where my brother stay, and maybe I could take my thumbnail from here. Right.
Right.
Okay. Oh, guys. Right. Maybe I will stand from this side. Oh. Oh. Okay. So for me, you know, I'm rushing back to home.
Right. I know.
So-
It is very far.
It's very far.
Yeah.
And today I didn't come with my motorbike.
You came on.
Oh no! I used the
You
vehicle.
boarded?
They boarded the car, or I had the car
Alright.
with other passengers. Yeah, so they take me around.
Alright.
Oh guys,
Do you want us to enter into the school? Or what?
so they can allow?
Yeah, you have to enter. It
Okay,
is free.
let's go.
Alright.
And maybe you show me maybe your stream.
Here
Do you
we
have the
doesn't-
stream?
Here it doesn't have a stream.
You have what?
You can enter any class, provided
All right,
Yeah.
first year.
no, all the students. If the lecturer tells you to get into a certain, he has or she has a class in a certain class in the room, you have to go there. Here we doesn't have this. Maybe first year there is a they have their own rooms. Here you can enter any room to study.
Right. I see now this relaxing all stuff, man. I see other students. You know, here I learn one thing: no uniform. People are just like wearing casual.
Here it is a social community.
Yes, like for me, I can go around like
Even
this.
you can enter there and you study and then you get out. There's no problem.
I pretend that I'm studying
Yeah, you can study and then you go.
and then I go.
If here, only the thing that shows that you're a student, it is a campus card. Do you have a campus card? And
Or a
also-
passport.
Yeah, passport. Also, you have the registration of courses, the courses that you are taking. So that is one. That is what will determine your end semester exam. If you are going to do that exam.
And maybe for the first and last, maybe people want to know your career.
My career is education. Education science. I'm taking education science. Combination is mathematics and physics.
Okay, during your study at the secondary school, which career came first priority? First priority career?
My career was to become a nurse.
A nurse.
A nurse. But due to what can I say? Maybe finance.
Yeah, you can see people wear casual, man,
Finance
over there.
maybe was a problem. and some grade which I got in some subjects will not take me to nursing. So I decided to go for education.
But for me, I think education is better.
Why?
You know. So according to me.
All right.
So you pass this way or this way?
Even this.
Okay, let's use this highway. Okay. So do you remember the first day to be here?
I remember.
People are so congested. We spend the whole day here.
Yeah.
Others are complaining, oh, we came the following day night.
All right.
Okay, let's move on. Okay. They have so many highways here. And okay, we continue this way or this way?
Whichever part. You can follow that.
Okay, let's go this way because I don't want to disturb that guy there. Okay. And here you must be cooperative. You must be social with other people.
Yeah. But you must be careful.
You must be careful. So maybe you learn some new things from other people.
Yeah.
All right, let's go this way. Oh. So that's the Rongo academic block. That's block A. Maybe. How do you feel on this background?
I feel good. Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
So, do you want to go in each room or?
I don't know. At least one room, I'm okay.
So,
for the first room that you enter, that you join. The first
joining.
room, yes.
Sure.
We go this way or this way?
Downstream.
Downstream. Yeah. Show me. Well, guys, I know for the haters, don't mind on my videos. Okay, let's move on. Wow. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. You can take me back.
Okay.
But I see your school compound is so huge.
Yeah.
You know, I see people resting all over the flower beds, study. Okay. Okay. Me, I can support you as I can.
Right.
Yes. Wow. For now, things change. Let's use this route. Yes. Whew. I see your school is very, very clean. Yes, and then people wear neat clothes, not like shagarabaga.
Yeah. You must have etiquette because here it is where you are building your career. So there is no way you can dress like a person.
You can dress like a teacher.
Yeah.
You can dress like a doctor.
Nurse, whichever. So
Okay.
that is it.
We keep going down,
All right.
and as you escort me, maybe did you prepare anything for lunch
Today? No.
Why?
But in the morning I took tea.
Don't be like don't be like a stingy. I brought you everything. Just to cook, eat,
Right.
and then you have maybe a lot of energy to do your own things.
Yeah.
Don't be stingy. Like when today you cook, maybe I finish up with this.
That I'm so lazy in cooking.
Okay, that's good.
Problem.
Let's use this highway here. Wow. So you can, and for me, what can I advise you? Don't see other students or other colleague came with driving vehicle with a big heavy machine, and then you said, why not me? You just grinding hard. Maybe later things change, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Like for me, you know, I started with mountain bike.
I remember.
You remember? So right now I have my own motorbike,
Yeah.
by God's grace, and I want to say thank you so much. Maybe on this side here. Oh, I'm too black, guys. I'm just looking other way. So, like for me, if you remember, I struggling. Keep chickens, chicken.
Remember.
Goat.
The time you are in primary.
You know.
I can remember the way you are struggling.
Even the game phone.
Yeah. I remember the way you are struggling, sometimes making a small kitchen garden.
I store the rabbits.
Yeah.
I keep the rabbits. I plant skuma, or in other way people knows green colored. I plant them. I sell dough. I sell ginfon.
I remember.
And then by God's grace, I managed to purchase my own expensive mountain bike. And then later on, when God say yes, that's a bike. When God say yes, nobody can say no.
Yeah.
I struggle on my life, and I want to say big shout out to Monkia. Right now, I have my own motorbike, and then it can help maybe my family, taking the border town and around my village.
Yeah.
So, like, you doesn't know for the next step. Maybe I could have my own car by God's grace, but I'm just believe on it. One day, no matter what, if my family doesn't have the car, I will make sure that one day I will drive my own car. And my first person to sit on my car was my mom and my entire brother and sister. Only that for the first time, maybe, guys. When God bless me with the car, I will do so. But I know it will happen, guys. Look at the gate from far end, right? So maybe today you cook chapati, like you are alone. You can cook, two. You cook one.
Yeah, it is very rare to get a comrade cooking something like chapati.
A comrade. Yeah. Do you know the meaning of comrade?
Yeah.
Do you know?
Yeah.
A comrade is a person who fights at one point, like you have point A and B.
Right.
So a comrade is a person who fights at one side.
Yeah.
Do you know? You have already know the meaning of comrade.
Yeah, we have comrades. For example, us, we have comrades of education.
So let's pass this one. Then maybe I will pause my camera. Alright, guys. So it's time to go back home, and I wish you, my brother, a good we called a good journey for education. I wish you all the best. You just go and cook or prepare, maybe like spaghetti. You can maybe take a little bit, you cook, and then the rest you store.
Yeah.
Yes. So you go. I know you're hungry.
Yeah.
Nowadays you come slim. Go.
All right.
Okay. Thank you, bro. All right. Oh. So guys, it's my time to look the vehicle, the motorbike here. Take me around. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, kero uko bana stage. Babu, unajua nishakuwa mkubwa. Oh, haya, shilingi ngapi aje? Pesa nyingi. Ngapi? Si tajiri baba, na haso tu. So let me see the vehicle which are going. Oh, keep running, guys. So I want to meet the vehicle. I want to catch up. Oh, that vehicle over there. So I need which one is red, and I'm supposed to move over. Sirari. Haiendi Sirari? Haya. Imejaa? Haijajaa. Okay. Ingia. Over here, guys. Wapi hapo? Hapo mbele ni wapi? Hii ni nini? Sasa sisi tuambie bwana. Ni kamera. Unashika nini gani unaenda kuonyesha Tanzania? Kwa TikTok. Kwa TikTok unaona jioni. There is a car cause accident here. It's a difficult. Senta ishika tu hivyo, haina shida. Hata zishiki gari yangu. Sasa people die here. Well, guys, so I have already came from my brother, and the journey was so tough but amazing one. So I can't complain because the van were being congested. So I want to say thank you so much because God is good all the time. And since I traveled from home to border town up to where my brother studied, and it's far away from here, so I reached safe. And I want to say, guys, thank you a million. And today I hope you'll enjoy today's vlog. We shall meet maybe tomorrow morning vlog for a day. And this is why I'm calling home. At least today I spend a day at my brother there, and I do for him some small shopping. So the money that I have, maybe sometime I take care of my family. Like today I support my brother because each and single minute they call me, what's up bro, you know what, I didn't have this. I said wow. But because of the money, like when I have the money, I supposed to support him, I supposed to support them. So when I don't have, I said for now I didn't have. But you've been there watching my video, guys, so kindly check me out, load to 6k subscriber. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Love is for free. And we shall meet maybe for tomorrow's video, guys. Bye. I love you guys. Bye bye.